Hello everybody and welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Melissa and I'm so glad you could join me for this week's Toddler Time. Are you ready to get started? We are going to start with our welcome song. You ready? Here we come now to story time, to story time, to story time. Here we come now to story time so early in the morning. And this is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands so early in the morning. And this is the way we stomp our feet, stomp our feet, stomp our feet. This is the way we stomp our feet so early in the morning. And this is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello so early in the morning. All right, so now it is time for our first story for today. And today's first story is called Walrus in the Bathtub. And this story is by Deborah Underwood. Best things about our new house. 1. Big yard. 2. Cool seagull nest. 3. A giant bathtub. Worst things about our new house. 1. Walrus in the bathtub. Have you ever seen a walrus in a bathtub before? Bad things about having a walrus in the bathtub. 1. Clamshells. 2. Screechy seagulls. 3. Bathtub tidal waves. Oh no! More bad things about having a walrus in the bathtub. Soggy suppers, wet towels, and toothpaste troubles. Oh no, they're all out of toothpaste. Ways to try to get the walrus out of the bathtub. Have a clam giveaway. Dress up like a killer whale. Dress your dad up like a lady walrus. I don't think any of those worked. People who will not help you get a walrus out of the bathtub. Plumbers? Nope. Firefighters? Nope. Wildlife rescue? I don't think he wants to be rescued. Worst things about having a walrus in the bathtub. Dial a clam deliveries. That is a lot of clams. Pool parties. Whoa. And walrus songs. Things that are louder than walrus songs. 1. Nothing. Reasons we have to move again. Number 1. Walrus. Wait, he's trying to tell us something. What could the walrus be trying to say? He's holding up a book and it says, How to Make Your New Family Feel Welcome. 1. Order in food. 2. Throw them a party. 3. Sing them a nice long walrus song. He was just trying to be nice. Oh, look, he drew them a portrait. Can we stay, please? Family rules. 1. Use mop, not towels, for cleanup. 2. Put clamshells in compost bin. 3. No walrus songs after 8 p.m. Here we go. Great things about having a walrus in the bathtub. Free art supplies for using the clamshells. 2. No wasted food. All those seagulls are helping. 3. Indoor puddle jumping. More great things about having a walrus in the bathtub. 1. Easy plant watering. 2. Clean floors. And 3. Family art time. How to make your walrus feel welcome. 1. Order in food. 2. Throw him a party. 3. Sing him a nice long walrus song. Best thing about our new house? Number 1, Walrus in the bathtub. The end. All right, so next for today, we've got more bathtub stuff, and we have a rhyme up on our board here. And we've got our giant bathtub, and then we have some bunnies up here. Can you help me count them? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bunnies in the bathtub. Are you ready for our song? One little rabbit in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Now let's see, we've got 2 little rabbits going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. So now there's, let's see, can you count? 1, oh no, jumped out. 1, 2, 3. 3 little bunnies in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Let's get another bunny in our bathtub. So now there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bunnies in our bathtub. 4 little bunnies going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Let's add our last bunny to the bathtub. So now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bunnies in the bathtub. 5 little bunnies going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. They all fell in the end. All right, so now it is time for our second story for today. And today's second story is called The Pigeon Needs a Bath. And our pigeon on the cover is saying, I do not. And this story is by Mo Willems. Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion, says our pigeon. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. Wait, I think it was last month. Clean, dirty, they're just words, right? I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah, when was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recent. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things, like taking a bath? What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. You know, in some places, it's impolite to bathe. Uh-oh, let's see, buzz, buzz. Do you see there's flies coming? All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Pew! Yuck! Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. Those flies are buzzing away. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. The water's too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, it's too cold again, and now it's too hot. Too reflective. This is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. Splash! Hey, this is fun. Wash, 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 wash. La, 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 singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello, hello, how are you? I'm fine. I'm hours later. Can I stay in the tub forever? The end. All right, so next for today, we've got another rhyme up on our board, but this time, instead of bunnies, we have piggies. So can you help me count as I add the piggies to our board? Let's see, there's 1 and 2, 3 piggies up on our board. Let's see, there's 4 and 5. We have 5 pink pigs on our board. Are you ready? 5 pigs so squeaky clean, cleanest that you've ever seen. Want to go outside and play. Oink, oink. One jumped into the mud, landed with a great big thud. Now there's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clean and squeaky pigs, because this one's all muddy. 4 clean and squeaky pigs, cleanest that you've ever seen. Want to go outside and play. Oink, oink. One jumped into the mud, landed with a great big thud. Now there's just 1, 2, 3. 3 clean and squeaky pigs. 3 clean and squeaky pigs, cleanest that you've ever seen. Want to go outside and play. Oink, oink. One jumped into the mud, landed with a great big thud. Now there's just 1, 2. 2 clean and squeaky pigs. 2 clean and squeaky pigs, cleanest that you've ever seen. Want to go outside and play. Oink, oink. One jumped into the mud, landed with a great big thud. Now there's just 1 clean and squeaky pig. 1 clean and squeaky pig, cleanest that you've ever seen. Want to go outside and play. Oink, oink. He jumped into the mud, landed with a great big thud. Now there's 0 clean pigs. But how many dirty, muddy pigs do we have? Let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dirty, muddy piggies. The end. All right, are you ready for our last story for today? This last story is called Bears in the Bath, and it is by Shirley Partido. Water, soap, and sponge are there. The bath is ready, but where are the bears? Big Brown Bear calls them in. His eyes get bigger. Where have they been? Ew. Uh-oh. Dust and dirt smudge Floppy Bear. Are those cobwebs in her hair? Fuzzy Bear trudges in. Mud splatters her from toes to chin. Now Calico runs in from the yard with sweaty fur from playing hard. What's that smell, Yellow Bear? He's stinky and he doesn't care. They're reeky, yucky, grimy bears. Look, mud and paw prints everywhere. Uh-oh, 4 grungy bears see the tub and Big Brown Bear waiting to scrub. All 4 bears back away. We don't want a bath, they say. Big Brown Bear says, you need a scrub. He chases them around the tub. He scoops up 1 and then 2 more. He grabs the last. He's got all 4. They won't go in. The bears all wiggle. The more he tries, the more they giggle. Oh no! Now Big Brown Bear has smudges and smears from the tips of his toes to the tops of his ears. Splish, splash, sploosh! He jumps in the tub. He grabs some soap and starts to scrub. He splashes water. He splashes Bear. He sure is having fun in there. Yellow Bear dives right in. He piles suds on Big Bear's chin. Floppy and Fuzzy hop over the rim. Now Calico gets in with them. There they all go. They toss the bubbles, they giggle and shriek. Soon each little bear is clean and sleek. Yay! They dry their fur. What fun it's been. Now all 5 bears are clean again. The end. All right, so now it is time for our goodbye song. Are you ready? Our hands say thank you with a clap, clap, clap. Our feet say thank you with a tap, tap, tap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. We roll our hands around and wave goodbye. Bye, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.